Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Lives to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a very exciting haul. These all came today. Really, I'm so excited to show you guys my most recent orders from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, Let's Plan It, and AccordingToAli. Let's get started. The first order, first Happy Meal is from AccordingToAli, and I'll let you guys know as of August 17th, I am now part of her PR team for the next 4 months. So you can use code Karina15 for 15% off at shopaccordingtoali.com. So this was actually an order that I placed before I became part of her PR team. And I just love her artwork. Her artwork is beautiful and it's all handmade by Ali. So you have her beautiful thank you card and just love the touches like that. And then, ooh, let's open this up here. It wasn't a huge order because I am the type where I will really only buy what I know I will love and use. And I love getting the little thank you card sampler from Ali. So it's got the Friday plan, the little iced coffee, the new release, and Happy Mail. And then this is what I'm super excited for, the butterfly stickers. I bought 2 sheets. When it comes to stuff like this, I normally try to buy 2 sheets because I need to use them in my hemlock and oak, my Archer and Olive, as well as my journal. So I need 2 sheets to make sure that it covers all of that. And I cannot wait to see what this looks like with that black alcohol ink. This will be my this will be my next spread in all of my planners, so I'm super excited to use those. The next is these magnolias. So her line of floral art is just stunning. Just stunning. Like, there's no more words that I can say about that. And then she's got her poppies as well as her dahlias. So these were the ones that I chose, and these come on the white matte paper, and I love that. And I mean, I will leave them as black and white, and you can use them with absolutely anything. I'm so excited to use those. So that is my first Happy Mail haul from AccordingToAli. Next, we have an order from Let's Plan It. This was from the Made in Canada collaboration sale back in July. And she's actually not too far from me. She's about a 3-hour drive south of me in Calgary. So you get this lovely journaling card. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Then, oh, okay, so excited. Let me organize this. I bought a couple of sheets from a kit. There we go. So let's move these to the side so you can see what this kit looks like. This is the Scarlet Hobonichi Cousin kit. So I got the weekly kit and the supplemental sheet, and I love the supplemental sheet, and this is, I'm definitely going to be using that. And then this is something I'm going to be using for autumn, but I love all of the days of the week. Now, I bought this for the Hobonichi Cousin size, and I know it's going to be slightly smaller than the columns that I've got in my hemlock and oak, but that doesn't matter too much to me. This is just going to be strictly decorative, and I'm just already loving how this kit looks, and I feel like I can probably spread this out over a couple of spreads because there's so much in it. So I love that. So that's the Scarlet. This is part of the weekly kit, and this is the supplemental sheet. And then I got more Coras. So what I like about Let's Plan It is that she has these sheets where you can pick. So if you want just one of a certain type of emoji, then you can. So I chose the paint the nails, and I chose that particular one. And then I have the trash recycle, and then I picked the reading Cora as well as the dog walking Coras. So love those. I hate that you can't see everything. Hold on. There you go. So that is my full, oh, hold on, wait. And I forgot I also got these as I think part of my order. They were the freebies that came with the order. I love the yellow. Love the yellow. And I think I could make that work in another type of spread. It's kind of like layering and decoration. So move this over. Put this here. So that is my whole order from Let's Plan It. And finally, my August order from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I waited until August 1st to place this order because I wanted the August freebie, which I will show you here. If you're not familiar with the Coffee Monsters Co., she does a different monthly freebie. So I waited until August 1st to place my order so that I could get a different monthly freebie, and they're so cute. I like the existential crisis and the not being able to sleep emoji. Those are so, so cute. So one of the first things I got was this cozy vinyl, and it said it was no, it wasn't a misfit, but this is the vinyl sticker. And now that I have found a place for all of my vinyl stickers, I'm all about these. Sorry for the glare, but I love that this is the drinking coffee while on the couch cozy vinyl sticker. Very cute. Then I got I'm going to actually zoom in for all of these so you guys can see these in greater detail. So first you have the shop owner emojis, and now that I have a shop, I feel like I could definitely start using these. And you've got the cut, putting in the mail, and then working on the designs and the new releases. Very, very excited to be able to use the shop owner stickers. Next, the neutral sticky notes. I use these quite a lot actually in my hemlock and oak, and I love the different colors of these as well. Mountain scenery kind of matches my mountains and meadows, and I will be taking this on my trip with me this weekend to the mountains. I love that. Next, the walk the dog emojis. So I actually have a sticker for when I walk Lucy. Next, trash day. I think these are actually a little bit older, but I realized I don't have a lot of trash day stickers, so definitely need these. These will last me a while. And then these are the 2021 New Year sticky notes. I like these because of the neutral color, and I feel like I could use them in almost any spread, especially fall coming up. Then the Happy Mail sticky notes. In general, I love her sticky notes, and I feel like you could definitely use them in so many spreads. Multicolored nail polish emojis. As you can tell, this order and the Let's Planet order had a lot of nail polish in it. And then these Not Today stickers. These are actually really, really cute. Then I also decided to purchase her Hobonichi Cousin back to school kit. Now, I decided on the Hobonichi Cousin kit because one, the boxes are smaller. Move this here. So the boxes are smaller. These are generally smaller. And what is included in them is that I do like these boxes, but I love these little headers. I love this habit tracker. And this is the first time I've bought a kit from the Coffee Monsters Co., but I'm just really excited to use this in my hemlock and oak and see how I can use this as well in maybe my Archer and Olive, but we'll see. I don't know if I'll have enough stickers in this to be able to use this in my horizontal, but we'll see. And then lastly, the bean card. So you always get a little bean card, me trying to figure out my life. And I feel like these are going to be a bit of a collection for me as well, because there's always a different one, and I've received a different one. And you collect all the beans from the tops of your sticker sheets and put them in here, and then you email a picture of this back to Helen at the Coffee Monsters Co., and they'll give you a bean sampler. And I love that it is signed. It is signed by different members of her family. So I've gotten a couple from Mama Tater and a couple from Helen as well. So that is my order from the Coffee Monsters Co. So that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I do have a code for AccordingToAli, Karina15 for 15% off. And I just love being able to support small sticker shops, especially Canadian ones, because now myself being a sticker shop owner, I realize how much work it is to get a sticker shop up and running. All right, but again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.